Hello friends. Is your car experiencing rough idling, poor acceleration, or even sudden stalling? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0392 error code, you might be dealing with a serious issue in the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit low, bank 2. This issue can lead to engine misfires, loss of power, and even complete breakdowns if ignored. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0392 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0392 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit low input, bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP, tracks the rotation speed and position of the camshaft and sends this data to the ECU, engine control unit, for accurate ignition timing and fuel injection. If the ECU detects a low voltage signal or no signal at all from the sensor on bank 2, it triggers P0392, causing major performance issues. Common symptoms of P0392: check engine light, CL, on hard starting or engine won't start, loss of power and acceleration, frequent engine misfires, inconsistent RPM fluctuations, poor fuel efficiency. If you're facing any of these problems, it's time to locate the Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP-B for bank 2, is typically located in these areas: on the cylinder head, near the camshaft, usually at the back or top of the engine, near the timing chain or belt cover, mounted to detect camshaft movement, behind the valve cover. Some engines have it near the intake or exhaust side, close to the intake camshaft, bank 2 side. In dual camshaft engines, check the second bank. Tip bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. Check your car manual for precise location details. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0392 error code. Faulty camshaft position sensor. A worn-out sensor may send incorrect signals. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, frayed, or corroded wires can cause voltage problems. Damaged timing chain or belt. A misaligned belt can throw off camshaft timing. Malfunctioning reluctor ring, dirt, cracks, or misalignment can disrupt readings. Low engine oil or dirty oil. This affects camshaft movement, leading to incorrect sensor readings. ECU problems. It's rare, but sometimes the engine control unit misreads sensor data. Now let's go through the steps to fix the P0392 error code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for additional error codes. Step 2. Locate and inspect the Camshaft Position Sensor B on bank 2. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage and resistance. If it's out of spec, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for misalignment or wear. Step 6. Check the engine oil level and quality. Dirty or low oil can affect camshaft performance. Step 7. If everything appears fine, reset the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car. The P0392 error code can cause severe engine performance problems if left unchecked. If your car is stalling, misfiring, or struggling with acceleration, make sure to inspect the camshaft position sensor and its wiring immediately. For more car troubleshooting guides, watch these next videos: P0078, exhaust valve control solenoid circuit, bank 1, and P0081, intake valve control solenoid circuit, bank 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.